How can ChatGPT help in making money? 50 Ways and Ideas, Smart Tech 2023, Part 2. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on ChatGPT. In this video, we will be discussing everything you need to know about this cutting-edge technology and how it can help you make extra income. From its background and capabilities to the various ways you can use it to generate new revenue streams, this video will provide you with a complete understanding of ChatGPT and its potential for income generation. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the exciting world of ChatGPT. So let's find out. Number 1. Written content for generating websites or blogs, which can be sold to individuals or businesses. Number 2. Creating chatbots for businesses looking to improve their customer service capabilities. Number 3. Translating text for businesses or individuals. Number 4. Providing language understanding services for businesses or organizations. Number 5. Summarizing text for businesses or individuals. Number 6. Completing unfinished or partially written text for businesses or individuals. Number 7. Analyzing and categorizing text based on sentiment for businesses or organizations. Number 8. Generating text for social media campaigns or advertisements. Number 9. Creating captions and subtitles for videos. Number 10. Generating product descriptions for e-commerce businesses. Number 11. Writing scripts for videos, podcasts, or other audio-visual content. Number 12. Generating story ideas and outlines for writers and authors. Number 13. Generating personalized email or message templates for businesses. Number 14. Generating content for virtual assistants or personal assistants. Number 15. Generating text for chatbots applications for businesses. Number 16. Generating text for voice assistants and virtual assistants. Number 17. Generating text for SEO optimization. Number 18. Generating text for website landing pages and lead generation forums. Number 19. Generating text for virtual events and webinars. Number 20. Generating text for virtual reality and augmented reality applications. It's worth noting that these are just a few examples of how ChatGPT can be used to generate income, and the possibilities are virtually limitless. The key is to identify a need in the market and to find a way to use ChatGPT to meet that need. So let's continue. Number 21. Writing products reviews for e-commerce businesses. Number 22. Generating text for virtual tours and real estate listings. Number 23. Generating text for online courses and training materials. Number 24. Generating text for mobile application. Number 25. Generating text for virtual and augmented reality experiences. Number 26. Generating text for audiobooks and podcasts. Number 27. Generating text for virtual personal shopping and styling services. Number 28. Generating text for food delivery and restaurant ordering apps. Number 29. Generating text for email marketing campaigns. Number 30. Generating text for virtual event planning and management. Number 31. Generating text for virtual tours and travel guides. Number 32. Generating text for virtual interior design and home renovation services. Number 33. Generating text for virtual personal fitness and wellness programs. Number 34. Generating text for virtual financial planning and investments advice. Number 35. Generating text for virtual legal services. Number 36. Generating text for virtual accounting and bookkeeping services. Number 37. Generating text for virtual therapy and counseling services. Number 38, generating text for virtual career catching and job search assistance. Number 39, generating text for event invitations and announcements. Number 40, generating text for virtual gift cards and e-commerce vouchers. Number 41, generating text for virtual market research and surveys. Number 42, generating text for virtual customer service and support. Number 43, generating text for virtual telemedicine and healthcare services. Number 44, generating text for virtual home cleaning and handyman services. Number 45, generating text for virtual personal shopping and delivery services. Number 46, generating text for virtual personal concierge and lifestyle management services. Number 47, generating text for virtual personal image and branding services. Number 48, generating text for virtual personal travel planning and booking services. Number 49, generating text for virtual personal security and surveillance services. Number 50, and last, generating text for virtual personal data management and encryption services. As you can see, the possibilities are endless, and you can find a way to monetize ChatGPT's abilities by identifying a specific need in the market. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that has numerous applications and opportunities for marketing extra income. Whether you are a business owner, freelancer, or individual, you can use ChatGPT to automate a variety of tasks and services, from content creation to virtual customer support. With its advanced capabilities, ChatGPT can help you to increase efficiency, save time, and generate new revenue streams. So, if you're interested in exploring the potential of ChatGPT and learning more about how you can use it to boost your income, make sure to subscribe to our updates. Stay tuned for the latest developments and insights on how you can leverage ChatGPT to take your career or business to the next level.